The opposition has released a joint statement demanding a discussion on the Pegasus snooping allegations in both houses of parliament. The opposition parties also demanded a discussion on the farmers' issue and the three farm laws. The responsibility for the deadlock in parliament lies squarely at the doorsteps of the government, which remains arrogant and obdurate, the statement read. After temporarily suspending the e-catering facility in view of COVID-19, the Indian Railways has resumed the facility to let passengers order food on their seats. The IRCTC in a tweet said that the service will now be available at more than 200 railway stations. The passengers will be able to order food via a dedicated website or the IRCTC e-catering app. Direct flight operations between the state capitals of Manipur and Meghalaya, Imphal and Shillong began on Tuesday. The Imphal-Shillong direct flight operations began under the UDAN scheme of the Government of India. With the start of flight operations, people can move to and from these two cities within a time span of just 60 to 75 minutes. Greece saw 81 forest fires in 24 hours due to extreme weather conditions as the country is witnessing its worst heat wave in over 30 years. Meanwhile, 8 people have been killed in Turkey in a total of 156 wildfires which have erupted in the last week. 11 fires were still blazing in Turkey, officials said. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has been trolled after he said that India has a population of 1,300,000,000 crore. I'm sure Khan Sahib would also not know how many zeros are there in a billion, a Twitter user said. This is the same guy who said Japan and Germany shared a border. He can say anything, another user tweeted. Lovelina Borgohain has become the third Indian boxer after Vijender Singh and Mary Kom to win a bronze medal at Olympics. The 23-year-old lost to Turkey's Busanes Surmineli in the semi-finals of the women's welterweight division at the Tokyo Olympics. India have now won 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medals at the Tokyo Olympics so far. India's 23-year-old wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya assured himself of a medal at Tokyo Olympics after advancing to final of the men's freestyle 57 kg category final. He defeated Nurislam Sayanev of Kazakhstan in the semi-final. With this, he secured India's 4th medal at Tokyo Olympics. India have won 1 silver medal and 2 bronze medals at the ongoing Tokyo Olympics so far.